There's been a lot of interest in government's use of technology to make decisions and assist in making decisions since the unlawful and tragic Robodebt scheme. There are some huge positives of governments using technology in these ways. They make the law and government services much more accessible and much more efficient to deliver. For example, you no longer have to fill in a paper form when you're filling in your tax return. It's all auto-populated and online, and in my experience, a lot easier and less time-consuming. But government's use of technology also carries some significant risks. There are access risks. For example, certain sectors of the population who may not have easy access to technology or might struggle to use it, might then struggle to actually access government services or to complete these tasks. There are also serious risks for government accountability and transparency. Government's use of technology puts transparency and, by extension, accountability at risk. Governments themselves might not be able to explain how a system works. Reading and interpreting legislation is quite a different skill set from understanding computer code. And in order to understand whether a system is working consistently with what the law says, you need to be able to do both. And I'd hazard a guess that there's very few people who can both interpret legislation and understand computer code. Members of the Gilbert Tobin Centre of Public Law have explored these and other public law issues in our research. We have brought together experts in law, technology and government in order to workshop and explore how these challenges can be dealt with and how to ensure public law values are protected in government decision-making using technology. Technology is going to continue to develop and governments are going to keep using it, and they should because of the benefits that it brings. Our goal is to make sure that it's done in a way that's fair, equal and just, so that situations like Robodebt don't happen again.